Do you want to start investing but feel like you don't have enough money? The truth is, you don't need thousands of dollars to begin. You can start with just $100. In this video, we're breaking down 10 simple ways to invest your first $100, even if you're a complete beginner. Make sure to stick around till the end because the last tip could help you grow your money the fastest. Let's get started. Number 1. Invest in a high-yield savings account. Before diving into riskier investments, make sure you have an emergency fund, a high-yield savings account. HOISA is a great place to store extra cash while earning more interest than a regular savings account. Open an HOISA with banks like Ally, Marcus, or SoFi. Earn up to 5% interest on your savings. Your money is safe and accessible when needed. Number 2. Buy fractional shares of stocks. You don't need to buy full shares of expensive stocks. With fractional investing, you can buy a small portion of stocks from companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. Use apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or M1 Finance. Start with as little as $1 per stock. Earn dividends and watch your investment grow over time. Number 3. Invest in index funds or ETFs. Index funds and exchange-traded funds. ETFs are great for beginners because they spread your money across many stocks, reducing risk. Invest in S&P 500 ETFs like VOO, SPY, or VTI. Requires minimal management, just buy and hold. Historically, they provide steady long-term growth. Number 4. Use a robo-advisor. If you're unsure about picking investments yourself, a robo-advisor can do it for you. These automated platforms manage your money based on your goals. Use platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, or Acorns. Low fees and beginner-friendly. Set it and forget it. Your portfolio is managed for you. Number 5. Buy cryptocurrency. If you're open to higher risk, crypto investing could be an option. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos have made people huge returns over time. Use platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one coin. Number 6. Invest in real estate with REITs. Want to invest in real estate but don't have thousands of dollars? Real estate investment trusts. REITs let you invest in property markets with just $100. Buy REITs through Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Earn passive income from rental properties. Great for long-term wealth building. Number 7. Start a side hustle investment. Instead of traditional investing, use your $100 to start a small business or side hustle. Buy a domain name and start a blog. Start selling print-on-demand products. Invest in an online course to learn a valuable skill. A small investment today could turn into a full-time income. Number 8. Peer-to-peer. Lending with peer-to-peer P2. P-lending, you loan money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest when they repay. Use platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. Earn potential returns of 5 to 10% annually. Higher risk, but higher rewards. Number 9. Invest in yourself. Sometimes the best investment isn't stocks, it's your own knowledge and skills. Buy books or courses on investing and personal finance. Learn high-income skills like coding, marketing, or trading. Invest in your education to increase your earning potential. Number 10. Compound your gains and keep investing. The most important investing tip: keep going. Reinvest any profits you make. Add money whenever possible. Even $10 a week adds up. Stay consistent and let compound interest do the work for you. Final thoughts: investing? Your first $100 is just the beginning. Whether you choose stocks, real estate, crypto, or even yourself, the key is to start now and stay consistent. Which of these investing strategies are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing tips. Check out the next video on your screen now. See you in the next one.